All right, so next I am going to demonstrate how to submit a verbal response within Canvas, which is perfectly okay most of the time. If it is an option when you go to submit your assignment, you can go ahead and record your verbal response. You don't have to type anything, you don't have to write anything, you can just say your response. So how do we do this? Well, here's the assignment again, the due date, points, how is it submitted? So this only will take a media recording. So you're going to click Submit Assignment, and then you need to scroll down. So here's the different media. Use the link below to record your submission. Click Save when you're finished and ready to submit. So I'm going to click the link, and right here you can record. As you talk, you can see that it's recording your voice by the bar. If you need to finish or when you need to finish, you just click Finish. You can preview it if you need to by clicking the link, and then you can click Save. So there's the video or the verbal, and then now I'm just going to click Submit Assignment. You know you've submitted it when you get the confetti.